Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will tell you about advantages of making money by creating unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Making money by creating unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces offers more than the obvious benefit of earning income. It's a business path that blends creativity, craftsmanship, and lifestyle. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to earn extra cash or a serious builder ready to create a full-time trade, woodworking can provide steady opportunities, especially when your work stands out as distinct, personal, and high quality. Below are the major advantages of turning this craft into a money-making venture, with practical context for why these advantages matter and how they can benefit you over time. You can turn creativity into real income. One of the greatest advantages of creating unique wood furniture and decor is that you can monetize what you already enjoy. Many people create crafts in their free time, but woodworking is especially valuable because customers pay for tangible outcomes. A finished table, a shelf, a headboard, a wall sign, a cutting board, a decorative tray, or a handcrafted keepsake. Unlike some forms of art that are purely decorative, woodworking often combines design with function. A unique end table doesn't just look good, it solves a space problem. That means your creativity has immediate market value. When your work is distinctive through original designs, custom dimensions, or unique wood combinations, your income becomes tied to your creative decisions, not just your ability to copy what others are doing. This can be a powerful motivator and a long-term advantage because it encourages you to develop your own style. Your products can command higher prices due to uniqueness and craftsmanship. In many markets, mass-produced items are cheap because they're standardized, but handcrafted wood products can be priced based on labor, material quality, and the emotional connection people feel when they purchase something made by a person rather than a factory. Customers often pay premium prices for visible joinery and craftsmanship. Solid wood versus composite materials. Durable finishes that improve over time. Designs that are personalized to their space. A story behind the item, where it came from and who made it. Uniqueness matters because it reduces price pressure. If your shelf design is truly different, maybe it features a pattern inspired by a local landmark, or it's built to fit a specific wall angle. You're not competing directly with generic shelves that flood online marketplaces. So, your ability to differentiate becomes one of the biggest advantages for profitability. Strong emotional appeal. People love owning something made with intention. Wood has a natural warmth that synthetic materials often can't match. Even more, customers like knowing the maker invested time and care into the final product. Unique woodworking also provides an emotional layer. Customers may buy furniture or decor because it matches their personality or home style. It helps them complete a room. It feels special compared to everything else they see online. It's a meaningful gift, especially for custom names, dates, or family themes. When you sell a handcrafted wood piece, you're offering more than a product. You're offering a feeling, comfort, identity, and pride. This increases the chance of repeat business and referrals because buyers are more likely to share something that feels personal and worth recommending. Dear viewer, are you enjoying our video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Multiple product categories create flexible income streams. Woodworking doesn't have to be limited to large items like tables and dressers. An advantage of this craft is that you can diversify across many categories, each with different customer needs and price ranges. For example, you could create furniture, benches, small tables, bookshelves, plant stands, wall-mounted desks, decor, wall art, engraved signs, shelves, lightbox frames, candle holders, functional decor, cutting boards, serving trays, coasters, utensil organizer storage, magazine holders, entryway organizers, drawer dividers, gift items, memorial plaques, custom name signs, wedding baby keepsakes. This variety is beneficial because it helps you stabilize income. If the market slows down for furniture due to seasonal demand or cost concerns, decor items and smaller functional pieces may still sell. Diversification can also help you grow gradually from small sales to bigger orders without putting everything at risk. Custom orders can increase profits and reduce competition. Unique products are valuable, but custom orders can be even more profitable. When a customer needs a piece that fits their exact space, like a shelf of a specific length or a coffee table that matches their living room theme, you're not competing with generic items. Custom work also allows you to charge for problem solving. You're not just making a shelf, you're making the right shelf for their environment. Additionally, customization builds loyalty. If someone commissions one wood piece and is happy with it, they're more likely to return for related items, matching decor, additional shelves, or upgrades to complete a room. That can create a long-term customer relationship rather than a one-time transaction. You can build a brand identity that lasts. When you make unique wood products, you naturally develop a style. Over time, that style becomes your brand. Customers begin to recognize your work by specific features, such as your finishing techniques, the wood species you choose, your engraving approach, your hardware choices and design lines, your signature details, like a border pattern, edge shape, or joinery look. This branding advantage is crucial because customers often buy from artisans repeatedly when they trust the maker's taste and consistency. A strong brand helps you charge confidently, market more effectively, stand out online, create a niche audience that values your work. As your portfolio grows, your reputation can become your best marketing tool. 7. The business can grow. With your skills and your time, woodworking is a craft where skill improvement directly increases your product quality, and quality attracts better customers and better prices. Another advantage is scalability in a realistic way. Start small with wall decor and cutting. Boards move into simple furniture pieces, take work. Commissions for larger items offer custom color finish. Options eventually build systems for consistent production. You can also scale by improving efficiency rather than rushing quality. Over time, you'll learn how to reduce waste, optimize tool setups, and make repeatable steps faster. That means you can increase output while preserving craftsmanship. This gradual growth path can help you build confidence while still maintaining profitability. Low barrier to starting compared to some other businesses. While woodworking does require tools and skill compared to many other businesses, it's often easier to begin with a home-based setup, especially if you start with smaller decor and gift items. You can also keep overhead costs lower by using small batch production, selling locally or online, directly taking custom orders instead of producing inventory you're unsure will sell, building a pipeline of orders through pre-orders or commissions. This advantage is meaningful because it lowers financial pressure early on. Many people can begin learning, testing the market, and earning small amounts without needing massive investments. You can use sustainable and responsible practices to attract buyers. Sustainability is increasingly important to customers. Woodworking can align well with eco-friendly values because wood is a renewable resource when sourced responsibly, and because many people enjoy the idea of using reclaimed materials. Some ways you can strengthen your market advantage include using reclaimed or locally sourced wood, offering responsible sourcing statements when accurate, reusing offcuts for smaller decor pieces, avoiding unnecessary chemical treatments when possible, creating products designed to last for years. Sustainability helps you connect with buyers who want to reduce waste and buy items that feel ethical. Even if not every customer cares deeply, the credibility you gain can lead to more trust, better reviews, and stronger word-of-mouth marketing. 10. The work itself can improve your mental well-being. Even from a purely business perspective, the craft advantage matters. You're not just chasing income, you're also doing something that can feel satisfying. Many woodworking makers experience a calming flow state while working. When the work is enjoyable, motivation is higher. That can matter because consistent effort is one of the biggest determinants of success in a craft business. If your process is rewarding, you're more likely to keep going long enough to refine your products, improve quality, and build a loyal customer base. This can also support your long-term success because burnout is less likely. When you genuinely enjoy the work, you can build a community and earn through networking. Woodworking has a social side. Customers often enjoy learning about the making process, and other artisans often share tips and collaborate. As you build your woodworking business, you may find opportunities such as craft fairs and local markets collaboration with interior designers, partnerships with coffee shops or boutique stores, commissioning from local photographers for photo backgrounds, or display frames, community workshops to teach beginners. These community-based channels are powerful because they attract customers who value craftsmanship. You don't just sell products, you become part of the local creative ecosystem, which can lead to consistent demand. The demand for home improvement and decor remains resilient. People constantly update their homes. Even during slower economic periods, homeowners and renters still look for functional upgrades, stylish decor refreshes, organization solutions, custom touches that make a space feel finished. While large furniture purchases may be less frequent, small decor and personalized items can remain steady. Also, handcrafted pieces are often bought as gifts, birthdays, weddings, housewarmings, holidays, which adds another layer of demand. Because woodworking products often fit multiple use cases, home, gift, functional decor, the market can be relatively resilient over time. Your inventory can become a portfolio of proof. Every completed piece is a marketing asset. Photographs, short videos, and customer reviews can be reused across your social media pages, your website, and product listings. The advantage here is that the work you do doesn't disappear after selling. It becomes part of your portfolio, helping you sell future items. When customers see your past projects, they trust your ability to deliver again. Over time, your gallery becomes a competitive advantage because it reduces perceived risk for new buyers. You can make money while preserving independence. Many people want to earn income without being fully tied to one employer or one schedule. If you build a woodworking business, you can structure your life around your availability, take commissions on your preferred timeline, choose which projects to accept work part-time, while building skills expand to full-time when demand. Supports it that independence can be a major advantage, especially if you value flexibility. Your income potential increases as your portfolio grows, but your pace doesn't have to become chaotic. In conclusion, making money by creating unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces offers a rare combination of advantages. Creativity meets function. Craftsmanship creates differentiation. Uniqueness supports higher pricing. And customization helps build loyalty. Beyond the financial benefits, woodworking can also bring emotional satisfaction, community connection, and a sense of purpose. Qualities that help artisans sustain their effort long enough to grow. If you approach woodworking as both an art and a business, focusing on quality, clear branding, consistent marketing, and customer-focused design, unique wood pieces can become not just a side income, but a meaningful livelihood. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked advantages of making money by creating unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.